In today's video, we will learn how to build your own QR generator tool. But before that, let's first understand what a QR code does. Now, because a QR code can hold up to 1264 characters, its potential use are virtually endless. But logically speaking, they are limited to things that can be represented in the form of letters, numbers, and symbols. A QR code could be a web address, a product code, a short story, a letter, a list, instructions, or map coordinates, to name just a few. The advantage of a QR code is that small amounts of text can be replaced with a relatively small image that can be read with a camera and some kind of scanning device. While the most common use of QR codes to date has been to display our website address to a smartphone, we are already seeing more diverse applications, and I suspect that diversity will only grow for the near term. For example, Starbucks uses a QR code to represent an account number to facilitate in store payments using the merchant's mobile app. Other mobile apps are using QR codes to enable features of games, and I've seen a few business cards that use QR code to record the standard contact information like name, address, phone number, email ID, etc., in a machine readable format. In short, QR codes provide a simple, standardized method to represent small amounts of information as a computer readable image. Since the majority of our mobile phones have the ability to read these codes, it seems likely that users will continue to increase for the near term. So the QR generated tool will look like this. In the left side column A, we are going to have either the names or the phone numbers, URLs, email IDs or addresses. In the right hand side in column B, we are going to have the QR codes. Now I will type my email ID in column A, and against that in column B, I am going to generate the QR code for that specific email ID. All I have to do is just drag the formula down, and there you go. You have the QR code for that specific email ID. So let's get started and see how to build this QR code generator tool. So for that, first we will start by going to Google Drive, and then from there we will select Google Sheets, select a blank spreadsheet, and yes, you have your spreadsheet here. First we will rename the spreadsheet, and we will put bulk QR code generator tool. In column A, we will add, let's resize it because we're going to add a few fields here. So it can be in column A, we can either put the email address or the URL or a phone number, and address, a physical address. And in column B, we will generate the QR codes using a very simple formula. Now we will just design this and make it look more professional. You can leave it as it is. It's completely up to you. I'm just gonna resize the boxes. Change the colors. Change the formatting. And then this part is not necessary. Again, I'm just doing it to make it look more professional. You can leave it as it is. All right. Alright, so our table is ready. I will have to resize the boxes because the QR code will take some space. We will generate 5 QR codes here, but then again, it's completely up to you. You can generate 500, 600 QR codes. It's a bulk QR generator tool, so it's up to you. So this is the formula that we are going to use. So after doing that, we will just copy this formula from here and then paste it here in B1. You have your QR code. Now I can drag it down to the other boxes as well. But before that, let me first resize the boxes again. And don't worry about the formula. I'm gonna link the formula in the description box. I will copy the URLs and the email IDs from this spreadsheet and paste them here. So the first one is my Instagram account, the second one is my Facebook page, third one is my YouTube channel, and fourth one is my email ID. Now we will generate the QR codes against those URLs and the email IDs. All I have to do is drag the formula down. That's it. I have 4 different QR codes for my 4 different accounts. I'll do some more formatting. Alright, this looks better now. Better. I'll do some more formatting and make the other cells black. You can make them any color of your choice. We are not going to be using those cells, so it's completely okay for you to change the color or the formatting. So there you go, you have your tool completely ready. Just one thing, if you have to copy these QR codes and then paste them somewhere else, what you can do is you can just take a screenshot of the QR code and then save them the way I'm doing it and then share it with others. Alright, that's it for today. I will share the link of the spreadsheet as well as the formula in the description box. Feel free to go ahead and download the spreadsheet and start using it. If you like the video, please do hit the thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your attention. Take care. Bye bye.